Today I'm going to show you how to take a bulb out of a neon sign in a 36-inch can. You can use a little wire snip like this, or really just an old-fashioned nail clipper. We're going to take these little steel holders off. You don't need them. We really just use them for shipping so the bulb stays in, but the bulb is going to be very safe in there without these, so we're never going to put this back on. We're just going to take them off and leave them off. But I'm going to show you how to take it out right now. So I clipped all of those off. Now I'm going to take the neon bulb out of the clips one at a time in order, remembering that this is hand-blown glass and that it's kind of delicate. Okie doke. Now I'm going to try and take the electrode cap off. I'm going to twist it. Sometimes, if the electrode cap is really stuck, you'll want to use a knife to cut it down. And you could always put on a new electrode cap later, but you don't want to, break the tube if you can. So now the wire is connected to the neon bulb, and I'm going to undo that connection. I'm also going to hold the wire so that it doesn't slip back down into the sign. I have the electrode cap and the wire right there. And I'm going to take this little cable tie and attach it so that it doesn't slip back in. That's on there pretty good. Now I'm going to do this side. I'm going to carefully twist this electrode cap off. It's this black rubber boot. That's what we call an electrode cap. Again, I'm going to try to hold on to it and the wire so it doesn't slip into the sign. You could still fix it if it slips back into the sign, but it's a heck of a lot easier if you don't let it slip back into the sign. And there is the bulb that I took out. Here's another cable tie. This will hold it in place, and so it doesn't slip back into the sign. Okay, thank you.